I'm here to show is a body scrub. It's an exfoliator, hydrator, it moisturizes, it heals, but please try it on your hand to see if you're allergic or not. 1 cup of gram flour. Okay, that should be 1 cup. Then yogurt, not flavored, plain, depends on the proportions, like that much. Mix it into a paste, a little bit of lemon. If your paste is as bad as mine, which mine is, you add a little milk to it. That's what that looks like. Now, magic ingredients. Some sandalwood powder in there. My best and most favorite ingredient, which works for everything, is turmeric. It gives it love. It might give you a little bit of a yellowish hue, so be careful about how much you put in. And you put it on your entire body and just hang out a little bit, let it dry. And if you have